Hey, how are you doing today? My name is George Alaniz. I just noticed some things about the map listing that I really think that you should improve to get you a lot more clients, especially being a mobile service. I really think you need this, and I think you really want to hear me out. All right, check this out. So you're going to see all these random numbers here, and this is just my tool being in use. So I'm sure you understand and you're aware that a map listing is like a sonar. So the closer you are to it, the more likely you are to be number one in that area. But there's ways to leverage it using a lot of Google's backend stuff that a lot of people don't know about. So let's go in here. You can actually see right here that I'm doing this today. I ran this November the 13th, so you know it's real. So these are through various GPS locations throughout San Antonio. Let me click on this so you can actually see it. So even where you're at, there could be a bunch of different things wrong with your map listing. It might not be optimized fully. Maybe you didn't set it up all the way. You need to do some more posting, some geographical stuff. But yeah, so my tool only goes up to 20 because once you're at 20, you're kind of past just a normal issue. So you really got to start working on it. And that's what I really want to talk to you about. I think there's a lot of money that's in mobile mechanics, especially in San Antonio. And let me prove that to you just using one of my tools. So mobile mechanics San Antonio. I'm gonna just refresh it so you know I'm not making this stuff up. I got a bunch of add-ons inside of my Google, so that's why you're gonna see a bunch of random stuff. So I got 3 tools for keywords that are immediately showing up on my Google page. So right here, this is my Keywords Everywhere tool. This is showing 720 a month. This one, my SEO Quake tool, showing 720 a month. And Mobile Mechanics San Antonio, that's my Uber Suggest one. This is 720 a month. And then here you can see different variations of the keyword. But regardless of that, it is very obvious that a mobile mechanic is definitely needed in San Antonio, and there's a high search volume for it. So if you want to capitalize and make a little bit more money, reach out to me again, and I can try and help you out in all of these locations, get you into that top 3, because that's where 60 to 70% of the people looking for this service are actually going to go to. So, like I said, my name is George Alaniz. Give me a shout.